Hi dear students, in this module we will discuss distillation, crystallization, saturated solution and common salt from seawater. Let's discuss about distillation. Distillation is a method of obtaining pure liquid from a solution. In this process, the solution is heated so that the liquid evaporates. Take some salt water in a retort or flask and heat the flask till the steam comes out of it. We will see the steam getting collected inside the beaker in the form of droplets of water. The steam condenses and reaches the beaker and the salt left behind in the flask. The water thus collected does not have the taste of salt. It's pure and is called distilled water. Next, crystallization. The process of separating a pure substance in the form of crystals from its hot saturated solution by cooling is called crystallization. You might have observed your mother at home preparing sugar syrup for making sweets. Allow this sugar syrup to cool. Fine particles of sugar separate from the syrup. These fine particles are called crystals, which have some definite geometric shape and are formed by natural processes. Next, let's discuss about saturated solution and unsaturated solution. Take a beaker and dissolve some amount of salt in it. Go adding salt into the beaker. As long as the salt is dissolved in water, the solution becomes unsaturated solution. A solution which can dissolve more quantity of a given substance in it is called an unsaturated solution. But a stage will soon come when you will not be able to dissolve more salt in the solution. At this stage, solution becomes saturated. A solution which cannot dissolve any more quantity of a given substance in it is said to be saturated. Next, let's discuss how is common salt obtained from seawater. Seawater is collected in shallow pits dug on the seashore. The heat of the sun makes the water evaporate. As you know, seawater contains salt. So, we can call it a salt solution. When enough water has evaporated, the solution becomes concentrated. Then the salt begins to crystallize. The salt is further purified and mixed with a chemical called sodium iodide. This mixture is called iodized table salt. Sodium iodide contains iodine. The lack of iodine in our diet might cause the disease goiter. Thank you, dear students. The lesson is completed.